Alright, so this next lesson we will be discussing maintenance versus conquer. Alright, so we're going to be using maintenance versus conquer as an aspect of quantum leap, embodiment, timeline jumping, and the laws of assumption. Alright, so we want to create that version of ourselves, and we want to stay operational in that version of ourselves as living gods in the flesh, right? Generators, operators, and destroyers. That means we generate it like we want, we stay operational in that truth, and we destroy whatever bullshit comes from the other side. Alright, so but we're going to focus on maintenance versus conquer right now, all right? So what you want to do is you want to maintain timeline consistency until conquer, right? So that means that you want to maintain this version of yourself consistently until you have conquered and becoming that which you plan on becoming, right? So that takes what we like to call maintenance. Maintenance, that means that you have to do everything that it takes to be able to become that version of yourself. So that means that the divine seven, once again, the people, places, things you surround yourself with, the thoughts, words, actions, and ideas all need to be in alignment with that version of yourself that you plan on becoming. So now you have embodied that version of yourself. You are quantum leaping in consciousness, right? So that's what we mean, timeline jumping, law of assumption. It's all about consciousness, your state of awareness. This is who I can be, this is who I will be, this is who I am. I am that I am. So I am, that's why we say I am is the living God in the flesh. If you are, that's who you are, right? So the code is faith plus focus plus follow through equals success. You want to stay vigilant, right? So remember that faith in your understanding, focus versus being distracted, follow through. That's building up that momentum to get to your success. And stay vigilant because distractions come a mile a dozen a mile, my bad. So you want to operate from the peace frequency right here. So that's structure, aligned actions, and flow. Build momentum, stay focused. Your dualities are focus versus distractions, understanding versus confusion, dualities of peace. That's another video you should watch about the dualities of peace so you can know how to operate in the peace state from structure, aligned actions, and flow. And in case you need to restructure, in case you reach confusion, you need to restructure, then you can go to your stillness. Then you can realign those actions with the new structure, get in the flow state, build momentum, stay focused once again. So that's maintenance versus conquer. As above, so below. This is the Star of David. That is the universal law of correspondence. So I'll show you that. That's it. Imagination, creativity, and belief is the job done.